Tips and Tools Yoga Teacher Edition style. What's up, everybody? My name's 𝘠𝘠𝘠𝘠. Two things I really want to share with you. If you're a newer teacher or just beginning, definitely make sure that you're showing up 15 to 20 minutes ahead of time. This gives you enough time to set up and create an environment that is warm and inviting for your participants. It also gives you an opportunity to meet your students where they're at. Many people are working with limitations or injuries, and we want to make sure that they are feeling comfortable and at ease. The second thing that I want to share with you is make sure you're pausing to digest all of your trainings. I know we can get really excited if we've done a 200-hour, a 300-hour, a yoga nidra, a restorative, the list goes on. And sometimes we can want to do all of the trainings all at the same time, but we're not leaving room to digest our knowledge. The more room and space you actually have within your trainings and within your workshops, the more you get to practice and embody leading that practice into your daily living. And that's going to be more beneficial on and off the mat. So make sure that you show up 15 to 20 minutes ahead of schedule so you can feel comfortable and create a warm, inviting space for your participants. And make sure you're also taking that time to pause, digest the pieces so you can lead by example. Let me know if you have any other questions for me to address, and I'll see you either in studio or online.